Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Maximum RPM RC coming at you. That's the wrong intro. That is completely the wrong intro. Let me try again. What's going on, guys? It's Maximum RPM coming at you with another video today. There we go. I've been doing this for 5 years now. Oh, what's going on, guys? It's Maximum RPM coming at you with another video today. And in this video, I'm going to be showing off a brand new creation. Now, depending on the next video, it will say if this is the guardian for my 5-person tournament that I'm going to hold, or if it is going to be one of the bays that you get to fight for the list. So the way that this is going to work for the tournament, no sparking and no DB. That's pretty much it. I will allow some GT stuff. Nothing on the list is allowed to be used. All my custom stuff that I have done custom is completely off limits. But I'm no rubber just yet. But other than that, I am open to pretty much anything that you guys send my way. So the way that I'm going to do this creation is, he's going to be used as my bay in the tournament to make it an even 6. And it'll give you guys a chance to fight one of my bays early on. And also, you guys can have a chance to see if your bay is tough enough to make it on the list. Or to fight the list, I should say. There's going to be 6 bays in the tournament, counting mine. 5 of you guys, 1 of me. And I'm going to do a mini 3D printed tournament for these 5. They will be randomly selected. I will do the drawings via live stream. And once I do that, it'll be final. Those 5 people are the 5 people that get in. They will fight this bay if he does not make it on the list. And then if they manage to beat it, they too will get to go up against the list. I can hear people talking outside my room, and it's distracting me, so sorry if I'm a little scatterbrained. Let's just get right to this. So, this is one of the most loved bays on the channel. And both of his previous evolutions have been, or currently are, in the number 2 spot of the list. That's right, guys. It's Brutus. This is going to be a brand new Brutus. As usual, it is a metal themed. The first bay was Iron Brutus. Still only burst by 1 bay. Outer Orbit. Very, very tough. Held the number 2 on the list for over a year. The current number 2 on the list is Forge Brutus. Remains unburst as of this moment. He is on Taper Yard. Now, I'm sure you guys can see the theme is a rolling ball for the tip. And he keeps getting bigger. So, once again, Brutus got bigger. And he continues to have the rolling ball. However, I'm going to most likely have to buy a Takara one for a better fitment. This is the new Molt Brutus for molting metal. Molt Brutus. At the moment, I have it on Karma Atomic. Going to do a little bit more tweaking with the file just to make the tolerances a little bit better, a little less shaky, fit together a little bit better. But this is the brand new Molt Brutus, guys. I am very, very excited. And gonna do some test battles in this. I've talked long enough. Let's just get into some battles. I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. But I'm gonna shim it up in there a little bit, get this tolerance a little better, and a Takara driver to get rid of some of that wiggle. Let's give it a test. Where's my string launcher? Where is it? Where is he? No, seriously, where'd it go? Oh, it's in here. No, it's not. God, this video is a nightmare. Nightmare, nightmare, nightmare! Oh my god! Guys, it's finally happened. I've gone insane. I have gone insane. I found it. I found it. Alright, we got Save Your Valkyrie 7-shot. The new Molt Brutus. Very fast. This new Brutus is pretty heavy. So when he does land hits, I imagine they're going to be pretty decent. Yeah, I'm going to have to fix that balance issue. Alright. I actually took a click from Valkyrie. Let me see if I can get the string launcher to work with both of them. This is a bad idea. He's stuck for like half a second. You've got to be kidding me. First of all, that was an excellent double tap. Once again, took a click. Brutus, no damage. Let's use Chozy Valkyrie's 0 trick. Screw it. Alright, stamina is this Brutus's big weakness, ironically. Ooh! Not bad, about half damage. Still nothing from Brutus. Let's get Guilty Longinus in there. On 2 Trick Destroy Dash. Destroy Metal, sorry. Metal Destroy, there we go. Not bad at all. Still no damage. Alright, let's get into the real big hitters. I got Striker, Yell, Rattle. We all know and love Striker. He's the loose cannon on the channel. Up and out. Still no damage from either one. That really did fix Striker, I gotta say. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, I did keep Brutus's little shield in there. The top of his shield is there, and the spike of it is down there. Wow! Striker, I'd say Striker's more aggressive than Shatter. Honestly, I would. And because I'd say he's the 2 most aggressive bays on this channel. Shatter just purely overwhelms them, but sheer and absolute power is going to go to Rotary and Striker. I think they both have about the same explosive power. Brutus! So, in the next episode, Brutus will be taking on the list. Woo! Alright, I got Rotary Sting Zephyr next. That was kind of a bad launch from both of them. Wow, Brutus actually hits pretty hard. No damage still, wow. Oh, that was my ankle. Still nothing. Alright, I gotta do it. The one and only bay that has ever broken through one of the Brutus bays, which was Raging Mako's Bay, War Smite, and I've got it on 00 Quake. This is my favorite combo to use for it. Quake on Smite is just lethal because he rebounds off of the Tornado Ridge so hard. Okay, Brutus has got a wicked knockout punch, as it turns out, due to that shape. Nothing. And this Brutus goes even lower. Let me just look at the difference between the first Brutus. That was kind of a bad launch, but whatever. Wow, did you guys see that crossover? I'm gonna give Smite the Phoenix one. No damage still. Ow! Guys, this Brutus is lethal. I think Smite has more power than Rotary. Honestly, I do. I honestly think Smite is one of the most powerful attack types. Honestly, I do. I doubt he's going to do anything, but I got Death Dealer, Shatter, Wheel, Ultimate Reboot Dash right here, so might as well go for it. Oh! Brutus using Ultimate Reboot Dash against Shatter. Guys, this might be one of my most dangerous creations yet. Oh, the fact that Rotary, Smite, Striker, none of them did anything to Brutus, guys. This thing's an animal. Alright guys, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so you get all my videos because I upload Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And as always, hope that this video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max, and stay awesome.